Howdy guys, today's unboxing Redmi Note 5 Pro. I purchased from this Flipkart togood.com. This is a refurbished product. This category is good. This is our fun. Before I start the video, please like my video, please subscribe my channel. Let's start the unboxing. This is our phone, the Redmi Note 5 Pro. The resolution is 5.9 inches. The megapixel is 20 megapixels camera, front megapixel. The front megapixel is camera 20, sorry. The rear camera is 12 plus 5 megapixel camera. This is our phone. This is our invoice. Keep it your phone here. Inside the warranty. Togood.com warranty this one. Inside I found a charger, some USB cable, not USB type C. This charger category is 5.0. The resolution is, keep it our charger here. Come back to phone. This is our phone. The silicon cover also I get this one. Some scratches this one phone, but this is good category. Very cheap price. I found some price is 4,900 rupees something. Instead of boot the phone. This is our phone. Like this phone, our phone. Come back to setting. The phone is running Android Oreo. Not Oreo, this one I think Nougat. Yeah, this is Nougat. No, so it's Oreo, sorry. This custom UI is MI10. The custom UI. The Android running for you. This is our phone. The category is good. So look at the build quality. The fast charging also support this one 3.0. The good charger support. Some user manual. The camera quality also good. For example, give the camera quality of the phone. Look at that guys, the clarity camera. This is our phone. This is togood.com, the refurbished product. The category is good. The battery capacity is 4000 mAh. The battery, the continuously use, you will be maybe coming 10 hours something. Normal use coming 2 days. The battery backup is very good. Thanks for Redmi. Redmi Note, the India's number one brand. This 2008 is number one brand. This Redmi Note 5 Pro. It's very good phone. If you want to purchase, I'll give a link to my custom description box. You want to purchase this one. If you want to have comments in the caption section. Okay guys, bye. If you want to like this video and subscribe my channel, please share this video. Bye.